Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today I'm gonna be playing with my slime that I made recently or earlier, and yeah, I'm gonna give someone a shout out at the end, so yeah, stay tuned to see who we give a shout out to. So let's get started, guys. So this is the slime that I made recently or earlier, stretchy, and it's fluffy slime actually. And I'll tell you how to make it, but I can't show you because I don't have any of the ingredients right now. I made it in my friend's house. So first, we poured in some glue in a bowl, and then we put shaving cream, and we mixed it, and we put little bits of dye. And I wanted to make it lighter, but and I wanted to make it blue. And we poured in a little bit of eye drops, and like it started working, but we're like, nah, it's not working too much. So then we put Tide or detergent, whatever you want to call it, and yeah, that's how you made it. We just pulled it out and started kneading it, and here you go, your slime. But anyways, I'll actually show you guys next in my next video, so stay tuned. Anyways, at the end of the video, I'll give someone a shout out, and he probably knows who he is. It's a boy, and yeah. So it's very, 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 very stretchy. My sister is not here today. She went with our dad. So yeah. So it's very, very stretchy, and it's like fun to play with, like thick, rough. And they're very stretchy. So like, feels like a balloon, like all and everything. In reality, and like it's all stretchy. So guys, it doesn't really stick to stuff like this thing. It just pops out of nowhere. But it does stick to your clothes if you go like this. Like, pretend this is clothes. If you leave it there for a while, it does stick to it. So yeah. The shout out goes to my cousin Junior. Yeah. And he might comment, so Junior, please comment. And yeah, the shout out goes to Junior. So like and subscribe to Junior and Brittany. Good, Junior. Well, she said subscribe to Junior. And yeah, guys, bye. See you. Yeah, guys, bye. So guys, remember, follow Junior. Bye.